Hi and welcome back to this series. Today we're configuring Centrify Privilege Service to provide password management and session management services in AWS. This knowledge you can actually use not only in AWS, but you can use it on-premise, you can use it on any infrastructure as a service providers. And in the previous video, we installed a cloud connector, right? So we're still going through the installation steps. In this video, we're installing DirectAudit. And DirectAudit is a solution Centrify has provided for years now. It requires a server that is domain joined, though, because it uses a lot of Active Directory infrastructure, so you don't need a service account and things of that nature. At a glance, it provides the ability to capture and replay exactly what people are doing on Unix systems and Windows systems. It also provides session transcription and event consolidation, right? So in this particular deployment of DirectAudit, we're not going to be using the typical full stack, right? In this case, I am actually doing something that is not recommended. I'm combining the consoles, the audit servers, Audit storing collector in a single place, because my jump box is going to be able to audit everything that happens through it. And there's no audited systems that have clients, right? In a deployment that you need to audit, even when somebody bypasses the jump box, this is a scenario that is supported by DirectAudit. So installing DirectAudit, you need access to the Centrify bits. You saw that in the first video. We're going to run setup. I'm going to quickly run through the installation. Ultimately, it's going to install the agent, the collector, and the management server, plus the utilities and consoles in a single box. Why is that a bad idea? Because you need redundancy, right? So let's go ahead and do next. And once all the bits are installed, it's going to ask me to do the configuration, right? So I'm going to breeze through this to keep videos very short. Launching the configuration wizard does provide you two options. You can actually have your own SQL server like I have in this particular instance, or you can have the installer install SQL Express for you. So I just renamed the installation name and I enabled video capture. So I'm going to do next here. This is going to ask me for a key, right? So I think I have a license key here, and I'm going to go ahead and install it and put it in. So this is the next thing is where do you want to put the installation information. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and put the installation information on a previous Centrify OU that was created. And I'm going to click next. And this is going to install, set up the process of installing DirectAudit, right? So while this happens, and I think I still have some time, we're going to basically invite some people to a privilege service. So in here, I'm going to use my local SQL server, and I'm going to do next, and this is going to do the configuration as expected. So just to keep it short, in the next video, we're going to configure our Active Directory users to be able to authenticate against privileged service, right? And we'll be able to require, step-up authentication if needed.